Good morning. I'm just going to share my solo travel vlog in Baguio, guys. I had some organic encounter there, but it was friendship. I didn't see any connection with someone. Just enjoying my time there in Baguio and discovered new friends. So, just enjoy this vlog and have a great day, guys. See ya! Ready to go na, guys. Going to Baguio. Okay. Hi guys, I'm here na sa van. Hintay na lang ako sa ibang kasama. So, I'm going to Baguio. Yeah, it's my first time. It's a good to see. So guys, bye. See you tomorrow. Ako. It's, anong oras na ba? 6:35 in the morning here sa si driver kaya akong banturog pa kaya, lakalakab na ako digdi. Hindi ko alam kung church or clock lang with that. So let's walk around here and look at the view, guys.
Hindi ba kayo kasama? Ibigay mo sa kanya white ticket.
White po. Thank you. Guys, wala naman akong video na.
Ha? Kalabaw!
Picture ko ay sa nagkapit lang ni Ganda Group. Picture guys sa naglapit lang ni Ganda tayo. Adjust na po tayo ng konti dito mga sir. Labas na po kayo ng konti.
Labas na kayo konti ma'am sir, tapos na doon.
Anong tao guys?
Ay ma'am sir, may camera ako for the record lang yung topic of the Ano kaya?
Hi guys! So we're going up here guys. Yan, papunta doon. Super init. And my mama tell me it's all you. That's today. Patuktok na ko guys. Look at the view here.
Tapos kay Q-Star, nag-message daw sa'yo si Jasmine. Tapos pinawag mo.
Okay. Hindi abot ng paa ko. Look at this here. There's a shed here for this one is comfort room. Okay, maliit ka baby. That's something doing. CR na lang. Okay, nice coverage. the view here. Yan. So, ginagawa ko ng mga yeah, lakas ng mukha. Lakas ko makapagsalita dito. Kasi mag-isa lang ako. Yeah. Pero may anxiety pa din. You know, baka malast si Carl Diaz. Okay. So, here na ako. And here, I'm going to Tebek Park, Korea. Here. Parang, ano lang siya. I'm like a prince and princess. Guys, Mines View. Mines View. Mines View. Mines View, guys. Ano po yan, Mami?
Akin doon. Dan kapoy.
Ito na yung tuktok. Pinaka-tuktok. Pero ayun pa siya. Kasi no entry. Puti, no?
Sa nabuk ng buloy-buloy.
So guys, bumalik ako dito sa Strawberry Farm. And yesterday, we didn't have the environmental feel. Today, okay, copyright. Galing-galing si Mama. Sige. Magkano pong isang ganyan?
100.
Pag ito po,
1043. Canadian Cypress.
mm,
Hindi mo na-reply.
super nice. Ito ka kanima, maganda to. Ito guys, interesting. Madami nito sa PNG. Tring! Eh, wow, orchids. Orchids ni Mama. Tanong ni Mama. This one, I haven't seen this one before. So nice. Look at this. Hi guys. Hi guys. Yesterday and then today I had so much fun. So iniin ko na talaga magpa-Baguio last time pa. But I don't have time enough. I don't have also enough money from previous years. Ay, after this, kasi 9 months ako sa work. Tapos, yan lang permisarong. Okay lang. Kakan. School. May times man na ini-invite kang parents or may times man na nagduduman kami kung saan. Kakan sa mall, ganun. And then this time, sabi ko, bago ako mag-uli, talaga inidiya sa magbubuk ako. I met friends, and then ito, it was given by my new friend that I met in Baguio. Masalaman siyang maran. Papya siya with a twist inside. At ube. Tapos itong friend niya, doon man nakapila. And then ini binabakalinda. I don't know the name of the store or bake shop. Masalaman talaga. And then this one was given by also my friend. They were best friends, si Apple and si Dan. So, Dan had his birthday today ba? Or yesterday. Basta nag-birthday siya. Tapos, bago kami mag-ulit, tigtaon niya akong spare of our piece of cake. Ay, so sweet maninda. Very sweet sinta, guys. Super genuine lang. Sinbaga yun talaga mag-travel. Yun yung ini-aim ko. Na, before na. Pa nag-travel kasi. Itong may mga tao na di kayo judge at first. Although, may mga intrusive thoughts man sinda. Pero, hindi mo sinda bistado as they are. Very clean lang talaga. Magdala akong PBB kasi di ko pa siya na. Tapos, yung recent lang na episode. And then, thank you for having your time with me. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye! By the way, manood pala ako ng Stranger Things. Cute na rave ni. Yee, kunyari pa kami daw. Sana ularog kayo. Sana ularog kayo bakang tarpe. Ganda mo, Ashley, ah.